Yes. Okay. So this is called cyber security word cloud. This is one way of publicizing about cyber security, like pamphlets, banners, digital dashboards. Same way, one more way of publicizing about cyber security. This is called word cloud. So now our actual topic today, cyber security using machine and deep learning techniques. So here I am covering topics, the introduction part 5, then practicals, the applications I am going to illustrate. Part 1, intrusion detection system using machine learning techniques. Part 2, phishing website detection using deep learning techniques. Part 3, malware classification with the deep learning applications. Then what are the tools and libraries of today's session I have used, and what are the case studies and applications, and followed by the questions and answer and the wrap up the session. So coming to introduction, overview of machine learning and deep learning in cyber security. So cyber security is a way of protecting our data from systems, servers, data center, and by using machine and deep learning, we are performing classification, clustering, association rule mining, malware detection. Madam, unmute them, madam. I mean, mute them, madam. Somebody is noise. They are making noise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are admin. Make but,
You're not audible, sir.
Sir, voice is not audible, sir. Sir, you are in mute, sir.
yeah. Hello, madam. My voice is audible.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My
Yes, sir,
screen
yes,
is
sir.
visible.
Yes, sir. No issues.
Yeah. So, machine learning, unsupervised learning means there is no label, there is no target class, and based on the similarity measure, we are solving the problems by using Euclidean distance, like square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. We are solving and making the objects having similar behavior in the nature. That is called clustering. That is called unsupervised learning. And reinforcement learning, based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the problems, especially in gaming applications. Then deep learning, we are using CNN, RNN, LSTM, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, sklearn, etc. These are the common applications we are using. Intrusion detection system, malware detection and analysis, phishing detection, ransomware and anomaly detection. How do we apply machine and deep learning techniques? Then the first practical session application, intrusion detection system using machine learning, and data set I'm using NSL KDD, that stands for new streamlined and knowledge discovery data set, or similar network traffic data sets we can download from free websites like UCI repository, Kaggle repository, and GitHub repository. Then topics like feature selection and pre-processing we are performing in the intrusion detection system. Training and evaluating random forest classifier is one of the best algorithm on data set of any new streamlined knowledge discovery data or network traffic data. We are using random forest algorithm. Then we are visualizing results like pie chart, bar chart, and heat map, scatter plot, confusion matrix, feature importance, etc. Phishing website detection using deep learning techniques. Here we are using CNN and a few more libraries like PyTorch, sklearn. Those algorithms we are using in order to find out phishing website detection on the dataset by using, I mean, features of URLs. So these are the topics we are covering, like pre-processing URL data, building a neural network with TensorFlow, Keras, like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory, LSTM, etc. Then evaluating the model and plotting accuracy and loss graphs. Part 3, malware classification with deep learning techniques. Here, malware is a malicious code or anything error or any kind of attack. So those files converted to grayscale images, how we are classifying the data, clustering the data, and association rule between one image to another image, which image is attacked by the intruders, which image is normal image. Such classification, clustering we can perform, and we are using CNN and various techniques under this one. Then these are the libraries like Panda, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, Matplotlib. And data visualization, we are using pie chart, bar chart, heat map, scatter plot, confusion matrices, feature importance, etc. And finally, case studies and applications we'll see. So in this machine learning and deep learning, why we are using? My dear participants, why machine and deep learning we are using in cyber security? Automatically, it can detect and classify the data, which data is malicious, which data is not malicious. In order to classify the data, in order to cluster the data, in order to find out the relationship between two data items and which data is outlier. So all kind of applications by using kind of automation kind of applications for prediction, detection of cyber threats by identifying patterns, anomalies, malware, and error, cyber threats, cyber attacks in data with a high precision. For that purpose, we are using machine and deep learning techniques, so popular nowadays. Then the common applications everybody knows, intrusion detection system. So we are using IDS use machine learning algorithms. There are three approaches we are using: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning algorithm for in order to classify the data that network traffic as a normal or malicious, or if you want to improve the threat detection real time, we are using machine learning algorithms. Same way, malware detection and analysis we are using, like convolutional neural networks. We are analyzing malware signatures and behavioral patterns to classify and detect malware accurately by using CNN technique we are using. So same way, phishing detection, we are applying machine and deep learning models. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Any kind of model, if you are developing classification model, clustering model, association rule mining model, outlier model, you are writing your own model for any kind of detection, prediction, and we are analyzing threats, URLs, email content, website features to identify phishing attempts, prevent credential theft, etc. So ransomware and anomaly detection also we can see today. I'm going to demonstrate, and we are using machine learning and deep learning algorithms to detect unusual activities such as unauthorized encryption of files or derivations from normal behavior. That is called outlier detection to identify and mitigate ransomware attacks. Suddenly your system hang because of intruders, ransomware. Some is a 17-year-old boy from Russia. He is locking your system until unless you give money to him. Ransom means it's a currency in Russia. That's why that attack is called ransomware. It is a malware attack. See, this is the fundamental of cyber security, is the practice of protecting our computer, servers, data center, and any networking elements, electronic system, and data from malicious attacks. This cyber security consists of various technologies and the way we are protecting the data, and we are processing, controlling, designed to protect our systems, networks, programs, devices, and data from malicious attacks, from cyber criminal attacks. That is called cyber attacks. So this is 2024 statistics. 35% of security breaches are caused by human error, and the worldwide information security market will reach, see that one. And cyber crimes cost $2 million, I mean trillions. So every attack, every 39 seconds there is one attack is happening. Like a ransomware attack happens every 14 seconds. Can you imagine? So this is the global cyber crime damage by 2024. So $16.4 billion per day, and $684.9 million per hour, and $11 million per minute, and per second. Can you imagine? $1,90,000. This is the damage happening per second. Then see, as a computer engineer or non-computer engineer, or if you know if you are using your mobile or computers or any electronic gadgets, you need to give your password one small letter and followed by the special character and numeric numbers. See, if you give, everybody can attack on your system. See how many people given password. Their password is password. Your system within 1 second, less than 1 second, how many users are kept their password is a password. Like see, 17 lakhs 14,646 people are kept the password name is password. Then 12 lakhs 89,266 people, they kept their password is 12345. Is it see how you are misusing your system laptop like that. So cyber attackers and criminal cyber criminal intruders will extract your password within 1 second. How many users are giving silly passwords? See, some people are giving ABC123, some people are giving India123. So if you give, see, one person, see, 2,70,228 people are giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is that? Is it password? See how simple they are thinking. In that simple manner, they are attacking your system, and they are stealing your sensitive data, maybe bank data, maybe personal data, etc. Don't give such kind of passwords. At least you try with the combination capital, small letter, special character, and numeric. At least you keep 4 letters with 4 varieties of characters, so that nobody can break your password. So examples like we can see how we can protect our system, servers, and data centers by using firewalls. We are blocking unauthorized websites. Antivirus software we are using in order to protect viruses, swarms, Trojan horses, etc. We are using encryption, two-factor authentication, regular software updates, security awareness training, access control, instant response planning, data backup and recovery. These are the examples of how easily we can protect our systems. Madam already explained network security, application information, system, web and mobile security. So these are the three essential things already Madam explained. Confidentiality, integrity and availability, no need of this one. And there are six branches of cyber security. You must know it at least. Names of branches: network security, system security, application security, information security, web security, and mobile security. And there are 7 layers in cyber security. So it starts with the human layer and perimeter security, network security, endpoint security, application security, data security. Okay. So why the reasons for cyber crimes and mechanisms we are using? Why cyber crimes are happening? And what are the mechanisms we are using? See, reasons for committing cyber crimes: financial gain, and they want to steal the money, they want to steal accounts. So then curiosity purpose 12%, revenge 10%, personal benefit 7%, excitement 6%. So they are using mechanism social engineering like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, especially Facebook. Somebody's Facebook account is hacked because of this mechanisms they are using: social engineering, and they are using laptops, remote access, email, mobile device, etc. And the ABC of security, see how easily one word I will explain. So A stands for always log out after online transaction. Then B stands for be careful what you click. Then likewise, C, clear cookies and delete browsing history of end of each session in your system or server or data center. So D for do not carry your PIN number in wallets. Don't write your PIN number in any paper or any visiting card in mobile. Don't. Likewise, for every letter, there is a meaning of cyber security. Then this jargon you must know it. Jargon is nothing but terminology of cyber security. You need to know antivirus, everybody knows cyber security, firewall, ransomware, two-factor authentication, botnet means by using AI kind of related applications. If you open any website, right side there are botnets and AI agents are speaking with you, talking with you. So there are some malicious activities happening. Those are like botnets, denial of service, Internet of Things, software as a service, and water holding, and bring your own device, digital footprint, macro, social engineering, whaling, cloud, encryption, patching, spear phishing, whitelisting, cyber attack, end user device, phishing, Trojan, zero day. Why this terminology? You must know it. So this is called jargon of cyber security. There are types of cyber attacks like malware, and phishing, SQL injection, DNS. Now I am going to execute this what type of attack is happening in so and so data set. Whether it is backdoors, insider threat, drive by download, and eavesdropping attack, zero-day exploit, form jacking, DNS spoofing, etc. So this is one application, malware, send anonymous mail. See, every day 60,000 free anonymous emails are sent from our servers, making us the world's largest and most trusted in anonymous email services. Every day you are getting one fake mail. Every day you are getting one spam mail. Every day you are getting one threatening mail. Like so, if you want to find out whether the mail is correct one or not, by using this send an anonymous email to .net. If you click, you can find out this whether it is malware or not. So this kind of don't fill up any kind of website. Fake websites are coming. Don't enter into your details, personal details, maybe sensitive data. Don't enter in that websites. So these are the tools I'm using in order to perform cyber security attacks, cyber criminal activities like Nmap I'm using. So Nmap for network mapping tool that helps identify vulnerabilities in networks and systems. Wireshark, it is a network protocol analyzer. We are using many protocols SSH and TSL, etc. So then Metasploit, Nessus, Note, various tools for each one having its own functionality, and for performing cyber security activities. And malware bytes, open web WAS, firewall, VPN, password manager. These are the top 10 tools are available. Then these are the techniques in cyber security you need to implement in your system, server, and data center. Antivirus software every day you need to update. Firewalls, backup, password, multi-factor authentication, VPN, employee security training, etc. So these are the techniques. Yeah, these are the challenges right now in cyber security, like complexity and diversity of threats, because data is huge, security also too much. So there are security issues also too much. So if wherever data is there, there is a security problem. How do we protect data from system, server, and data centers? So that is a challenge. Integration of security measures, scalability, day by day data is increasing, and security measures we need to increase. Otherwise, our data may be steal, our data may be, we may lose our sensitive data, etc. Then usability, privacy concerns, standardization, encryption, artificial intelligence and machine learning, global cooperation. These are the challenges. And if you see, there are various types of attacks, challenges still. Already ransomware attacks solved in the market and industry, and few more challenges are there. Then future of cyber security. If you see the future of cyber security, we are incorporating all the latest techniques into the cyber security, and likely to shape the future by cyber security by integrating artificial intelligence, intelligent behavior in a machine. By using AI techniques, statistical techniques, we are solving the cyber security attacks. Machine learning, learning from the observational data by applying three approaches like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Cloud security. See, there are network security, cloud security, and host security. How we are protecting our data from the system, server, and data center. Then Internet of Things, blockchain technology, quantum computing, human-centric cyber security. These subjects are we are integrating with cyber security. So the future scope of cyber security, I just now I have explained: critical infrastructure security, cloud security, user security, network security, application system security. Internet of Things means collection of all real-time objects in a network. So in the network level also you can find network attacks, network malicious code, and how do we can prevent, detect, and predict such kind of activities by integration of latest technologies. So these are the 14 best Python libraries I have used. I'm using like Pandas, NumPy, NLTK, Scikit-learn, Nmap, Twisted, Scapy, Beautiful Soap, Cryptography Library, Yara, and PyMetasploit, 3, Mechanize, Socket, request. These are the 14 important libraries. You must know it. Very simple. How to install these libraries? Pip install library name. That's all. I'm going to show you. So these are the algorithms, are very famous algorithms in cyber security. RSA algorithm. It is widely used in public key cryptography algorithm. AES algorithm. It is a symmetric encryption algorithm. Madam already explained. SHA algorithm. It generates a unique fingerprint for data integrity verification. Diffie-Hellman algorithm for key exchange algorithm. Then DDoS mitigation algorithm and intrusion detection system, machine learning algorithm for security. Here, the algorithms we are using for detection, prediction, classification, clustering, outlier detection, etc. Then firewalls algorithms we are using, snort algorithm for finding the open source network intrusion detection system, SSL and TLS algorithms we are using. Now, these are the tools and libraries for today's topic. My dear participants, for today's topic, you must know these libraries I have used. Scikit-learn. For what purpose I am using Scikit-learn? For data pre-processing means eliminating noisy, inconsistent, dirty data to make use of refined data as input to the system. Feature selection and machine learning algorithms like random forest algorithm, support vector machine, etc. I'm using scikit-learn library. Pandas for data manipulation and analysis purpose. NumPy for numerical and computation operation. Then deep learning libraries like TensorFlow, I have explained already. It is used for deep learning, big data, and artificial intelligence applications by using CNN technique. Keras, it is also one of the popular deep learning library for application programming interface. We are using in order to find out big data, cyber security applications in a huge volume of data. We are using Keras. Then PyTorch for machine learning and deep learning framework with the dynamic computation graphs. Then visualization purpose, we are using Matplotlib to generate pie chart, bar chart, and graphs like accuracy, loss, curves, and confusion matrices. Seaborn, it is similar to Matplotlib for advanced data visualizations like heat map, scatter plot, etc. for correlation purpose especially. Plotly, we are using for interactive visualization to explore data and model performance. Then cyber security specific tools like Wireshark. Wireshark, it is used for capturing and analyzing network packets, useful for data set preparation. Then Bro and Geek, it is used for network monitoring and logging tool for generating IDS data sets, intrusion detection system. Then data set tools like Kaggle. We can download data sets from free repositories. My dear participants, we have n number of free websites for downloading data sets like UCI, www.uci repository, Kaggle. From Kaggle, you can download NSL, KDD, and phishing data set, etc. In OpenML, we can download data sets. And Kaggle, it is also one of the repository. You can download various tools. Then data pre-processing libraries, we are using a label encoder and standard scalar from scikit-learn. Then NLTK for SPACY. Model visualization and evaluation, we are using SciPy, scikit-learn, Matrix, TensorBoard for model validation and evaluation purpose. Then deployment tools, we are using Flask and Django. Everybody knows if you are using Python, you can use it Flask and Django for deploying machine and deep learning models as web applications. Fast API, it is for deploying our cyber security application in the industry or any application. Docker for for containerization purpose, we are using for deploying cyber security applications. So now these are the 10 case studies. Because of time, I'm moving. The first case study is intrusion detection system, that is IDS, then malware detection, and phishing. If you see the phishing application, Google Safe Browsing employ machine learning models to flag phishing websites. Then ransomware, behavioral based detection tools like Sophos Intercept X. Then botnet traffic detection, advanced persistent threat APT detection, fraud detection in financial transactions, endpoint security with machine learning. These are the case studies. Threat intelligence and predictive analytics, spam email and malicious attachment detection. So now the first practical session, write a Python program, 10 applications. How much time is there so that I will execute one by one. Write a Python program that performs RSA encryption and decryption using cryptographic library. So we are using standard libraries from, we are deriving some direct RSA algorithm for our encryption purpose. For decryption purpose, we are using RSA algorithm to generate RSA key pair, encrypt a message, then decrypt the message, print the original message and the decrypted message. See this application now I am going to demonstrate. So go to, see, once you are installing Python, it takes 2 minutes only for installation. Madam, my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your screen is
So,
not visible, sir. It is like a black screen.
No, ma'am. It is
yes,
command. It is
it
command
is
prompt, ma'am.
command prompt, madam. It is
Please
command prompt. Yes. So if you are using Python, just which version you are using, this is the command, you can use it. Python 3.12.6. Okay. So now I'm quitting from IDLE to command prompt. So now see notepad space RSA algorithm. See, this is the algorithm. See, this is the program. Madam, my screen is visible. Write a Python program that demonstrates the concept. Yeah. So now first program I am executing here. Python space. You need to write RSA. So now see the public key. I have written the code. I have explained already here. So generate two random prime numbers. Then check if number is prime. Then compute the greatest common divisor of two numbers. Compute the modular multiplicative inverse of number. Generate the public and private keys. Then encrypt a message using the public key. Decrypt message. Generate the keys. Encrypt the message. So same thing. See here, public key, I got it. Private key, original message, hello world. Encrypted message and decrypted message. Okay. So that is the way we are using RSA algorithm. Next algorithm, write a Python program that demonstrate how to use the cryptography library to generate SHA hashes. So see here, directly you can use Python libraries from cryptography, import hash, then create SHA-256 hash object, update the hash, finalize the hash, and the print the hash. So SHA1. Now see the next algorithm, notepad space. Okay. So write a Python program that demonstrate how to use the cryptography library to generate SHA. So here Python space I'm executing. Madam, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now it is generated 256 key generated. Same way. So next program, write a Python program, Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm is an asymmetric key algorithm. If you see that algorithm, prime number used for key exchange, primitive root of prime, private keys for both parties, public keys for both parties, shared secret key calculation, verifying that both parties have the same shared secret key. So now that program also I'm executing. Notepad space, Diffie-Hellman problem. This is write a Python program for a Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. Is an asymmetric key algorithm used for key exchange. It allows two parties to establish a shared secret. See now Python space Diffie-Hellman. See now I got it, shared secret key 16. Same way, uh, so next write a Python program to perform encryption and decryption of given message using AES algorithm. So what I am doing by using a message called cyber forensics from cryptography directly, I am importing Fernet is a library. From that message, original message, encrypted message, again decrypted message. So I'm executing notepad space AES. So same thing, Python space. So like this, original image is cyber forensics, encrypted string, and decrypted string cyber forensics. So, okay. Now I'm moving to machine learning deep learning algorithms. See now, write a Python program to perform cyber security data analytics using CNN technique. So I'm importing NumPy, Matplotlib, and so many libraries directly, generate a synthetic data for demonstration purpose, split the data into training and test, 70%, 75% training, 25% testing, then reshape of data set for fit the CNN model. One hat encode the labels, create the CNN model, compile the model, train the model, and evaluate the model on the test, plot the training history, plot the test history. So if you run this program, we are getting very good accuracy labels. Then write a Python program to perform enhancing cybersecurity through machine and deep learning techniques in script development and implementation approach. Here we are loading the data set from MNIST standard data set, then reshape the data set and normalize, convert labels to categorize, define the model, add dense layers, compile the model, train the model, evaluate the model. Okay, so train the model, plot training accuracy, plot training loss values, etc. So for model accuracy, if you run the program, we are getting the accuracy, loss, and time complexity, etc. The same way, enhancing malware prediction and detection and image data sets using deep learning and a future fusion implementation approach. So here I am using various models and various libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, etc. for generate synthetic data, image data set, 1000 images I have taken. Define image feature extraction model, define feature fusion model, combine both models, compile the model, train the model, plot training history, plot training and validation accuracy, plot training and validation loss. We are getting the graphs. So same way, one more program I am demonstrating. See here. Yeah. Uh, See, write a Python program is to implement an intrusion detection system. See, I have listed in my content topic this program. Now I am demonstrating. See here, all of you, intrusion detection system using random forest algorithm for classify network traffic as a normal or malicious, evaluate its accuracy and visualize the results using confusion matrix and future importance plot. I have declared pandas, numpy, sklearn, and for visualization purpose matplotlib. Okay, so now I am going to demonstrate. See, notepad, I have created my own file, Atal FDP. Okay, sorry. Atal FDP. See, Atal FDP first program, write a Python program is to implement an intrusion detection system using random forest algorithm. It is a very popular algorithm for classifying network traffic as normal or malicious. Okay, evaluates its accuracy and visualize the results. What I am doing. So in step 1, simulate data set first. Then step 2, train test split. You can download the data set from Kaggle, or GitHub or any UCA repository. Step 3, train random forest classifier, evaluate the model, visualization, feature importance, etc. Now I am executing this program. Please see here, Python space Atal FDP. See here. Now see, now I am executing this program. It is generating graphs. Uh, yeah, see now my screen is visible, madam. Hello,
Yes, sir.
madam.
Yes, sir.
The
Sir,
confusion
very
matrix, I got
interesting.
it with accuracy 89%. I got it. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So my model accuracy got 89 percentage, and confusion matrix, how many correctly classified malicious activities, normal activities. Like next graph is feature importance. Madam, this screen also visible, feature
Yes, sir.
importance.
It is visible.
Importance score. Likewise, we can generate details to you, and you can contact, and you can if you want any papers related to Python, you can note down my details. So same way, many applications we can run. See here one more application. Write a Python program is to demonstrate the use of machine learning and deep learning techniques for cyber security applications, including intrusion detection, malware detection, phishing detection, and ransomware anomaly detection with the appropriate visualizations for model performance and data insights. So here I can use directly random forest algorithm, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, tensorflow. So I'm using this classification. See, these are the graphs I'm generating. So next graph is write a Python program to implement function using deep learning and leveraging a data set with URL features to build and evaluate a neural network. The program includes pre-processing, model building, evaluation, visualization. Likewise, we can generate. And the last program for today's session, because of time, write a Python program for malware classification using deep learning, which involves pre-processing grayscale images of malware, binary files, building a convolutional neural network, that is CNN, and visualizing the training accuracy and confusion matrix. Here I am using NumPy, TensorFlow, and direct sequential model I'm using. I'm generating the graph model accuracy and confusion matrix. So with this one, I'm closing the session. Any doubts if you are having, please ask me.
Participants, do you have any queries? Please ask Srinivasulu, sir.
A
Yes,
very
madam.
interesting topic, and it is very well presented, but we couldn't write down due to the short time. It is explained well, sir.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for your feedback. Any other questions and comments, my dear participants?
Sir, can you please share the PPTs if you don't mind,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah, sure, sure, 100%. 114 participants are there. Just go to YouTube, you will find so many applications I have demonstrated. Please take your mobile, my dear participants. Just
Yes, sir. Yes,
type
sir.
in YouTube Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Please type all of you. Please subscribe my channel. It is not for money, just for there are videos I kept in my channel. See, just Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, type this one. Many applications I have demonstrated. Please subscribe my channel. 324 videos are there. 3000 subscribers are there. And so many videos I kept on cyber security. If you click, you will see n number of videos I have kept here. So many topics on AI, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security, big data, cloud computing, and like natural language processing. So many videos are there. So, my dear participants, if you are having any doubt, please ask me and subscribe my channel, and you can have my details on my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please note down my number. Please note down my number and email ID +61 4346. Currently, I'm in Australia. That is my mobile number. Please note down, and email ID also there. If you want total 1242 slides I have created for this cyber security. I'll share with your coordinator. Madam will forward to all the participants. Any doubts?
Hello, sir.
Srinivasulu, sir.
Madam?
In comments, we got one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Please tell how to start cloud security like that, sir.
Very good question. So, if you want to start cloud security, you need to have fundamentals on networking concepts first, and the computer protocols you need to learn. Then, how to write in Python, you need to directly that protocols you can use as a code available with that libraries, and you must be strong in networking concepts. Then in system level, first you know the networking concepts, then go to server level, you need to know the networking concepts, whether you are implementing local area network and wide area network, what kind of networking components you are using, then protocols you need to learn. Then you start using cloud security. There are three types of cloud securities are there. Whether you want to become a network security or host security or any data security. Three types of security issues are there in cloud. In cloud security, three types: data security, network security, and host level security. So be strong in networking, be strong in computer protocols, and be strong in Python security libraries are there. Then take use of that, and then you can start. You can do wonders in your system level, server level, and data center level. Very good question. Any
Thank
other?
you, sir.
Yeah.
Please,
With this,
if we have still any queries, please.
please subscribe my
Hello, sir.
channel, my dear friends. Take your mobile, go to YouTube. Please subscribe my channel. Only 15 members only subscribed so far.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Okay. Yeah. Please,
Sir, actually, I am doing my PhD in cyber physical system, security in cyber physical system.
Yeah. Very good concept, sir.
So I have selected a few data set. I
Yeah.
will mail the details. Can you guide me regarding?
Yeah. 100%. I will help you.
Okay.
Don't you take
Okay.
my screenshot, and it is available in YouTube also available. And if you type my name in even Google, you will find my email ID and mobile
Mail
number.
ID. Okay, sir. Right, sir. I will share details tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Please subscribe my channel.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yeah, please
queries?
do it. Yeah, madam, you can.
Participants, please, if you have any
Yeah.
queries still, please. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Ses- Srinivasulu sir, shall we conclude the session, sir?
Yes, madam. Your wish, madam.
Shashkala, madam, shall I conclude the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of all the participants and organizing team, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu sir for that insightful and enriching session. Your presentation on statistics on internet uses, measuring the data in computers, overview of machine learning and deep learning in cybersecurity, challenges and techniques in cybersecurity, libraries which useful for ML and DL, and more advanced concepts in cybersecurity was truly enlightening, sir. You
Thank you.
have provided us with a fresh perspective on different encryption algorithms, and your practical insights will undoubtedly make a significant difference in how we approach teaching and learning. We understand the value for your time, sir, and we are sincerely appreciate that you have taken out of your busy schedule to be here with us today. We hope this is just a beginning for a long lasting relationship with you, sir. Your insights have been invaluable, and we look forward to future opportunities to learn from you. Once again, thank you so much for your excellent session, sir, your expertise, and your willingness to share your knowledge with us. We are grateful and look forward to applying all that we have learned today. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Madam, please share that video, madam, if possible. Recorded session, please share
Okay.
this.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Sure. We will share, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Srinivasulu, sir.
Okay, madam. Thank you.